a Spanish artist, greatest painter of the 20th century. Okay, so he signed it Picasso. Okay, now come to the next page, page number 4, para 27. I thought your name was Suzanne, I said. So this boy said that old man that I thought your name was Suzanne. He smiled up at me. How I wish it was, he said sadly. Then he added, off you go now. Okay, now this man smiled at Yannick and said, how I wish it was. That means this old man wished that his name was Suzanne. Okay, he said sadly. Why? What we can understand from this is that this old man's name was Suzanne, but but he used to sign his paintings, by the name Picasso. Okay, Picasso was a Spanish painter and greatest painter of the 20th century, right? So he used to sign that Picasso because every painter signed them according to their wish, like what names they like. Okay, what names people used to call them. So he wished that his name was Suzanne. Okay, he said, how I wish it was. That is, he wished it was. Okay, then he added, off you go now. What is off you go now? Then he said, to go away and start something. Okay, he asked this young boy to go now and to start something, to start some work. Okay, he was very sad because he was a little sad because this boy told him that your name was Suzanne. I thought your name was Suzanne, but you signed it as Picasso. Okay, so he wished that Suzanne was his original name. He said that he wished that it was his original name. And then he added that to go away. He asked that boy to go away and start do something. Okay, to do something, to go away and to do something. Okay, you understood the chapter? You have any doubt? The chapter is over.
No, ma'am.
Okay, you didn't understood.
No, ma'am.
So, from which portion you didn't understood? From the okay till page
No,
number
ma'am.
two,
No
you
doubt. No
okay. So
doubt.
okay, no doubt. Okay, I thought you didn't understand. Okay, so no doubt, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
we will questions. Okay, we'll discuss the questions. Take out your notebooks. Okay, you can write the answers. Okay, take them out.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, question answer you give on model also now.
yes, I'll upload them on Moodle also. I'll give you some assignments. Okay, not all the questions. Okay, you have to write the questions in your notebook, but you have to upload some questions that I'll upload in Moodle and then I'll let you know in your WhatsApp group. Okay, when I'll upload, I'll just let you know. So now we will discuss this. Okay, understanding the text A, choose the correct answers. This we'll just do in the book only because we have to only tick the right answer. Okay, this you don't need not write to, need not have to write in copy. Okay, so just tick in the book only. Yes. So take out page number 4, understanding the text. Okay, A portion. Choose the correct answers. Yannick threw the tablecloth into the fire because. Okay, can anyone answer? A, B, or C?
Ma'am,
B.
A.
B.
B.
What?
B.
It's B. Okay.
Ma'am,
He
B.
always. Yes. He always did this when he cleaned the table. Okay. Yannick used to throw this tablecloth in the fire always. Whenever he used to clean the table, he used to throw this remaining cloth in the fire. So B is the right answer. He always did this when he cleaned the table. Okay, tick B. Okay, put a tick mark on B. Now, second question. Uncle Bruno was angry with Amandine because. Why was Uncle Bruno angry with Amandine? Can anyone answer?
Ma'am, C.
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 Just a minute.
This three are.
Okay. Uh, Actually, all the three are somewhere appropriate answers. Okay. She
Yes,
didn't tell Yannick
ma'am.
to save the tablecloth. Just a minute. Okay. So
Yes,
she
ma'am.
didn't tell Yannick to save the tablecloth. She shouted at Yannick in front of everyone. She blamed Yannick unfairly for the ruined tablecloth. But here is the correct answer. Here is one correct answer. That is A. She didn't told Yannick to save the tablecloth. Right? She yelled at him without telling him that she used to save the tablecloth. Right? So A is the right answer here. Put a tick mark on A. Okay, you understand? Uncle Bruno was angry because she didn't told Yannick to save the tablecloth. And then also she was yelling at him. Okay, so actual answer is A. Now, 3. According to Uncle Bruno, the unforgettable thing that had happened to Yannick was, what was that unforgettable thing that happened to Yannick? Okay, B is the answer. Option B, that a great artist had made a painting to show his appreciation for Yannick's effort. Okay, this was the most unforgettable thing which happened to Yannick. Okay, option B is the right answer. Pick option B. Okay, Lakshya and Madhya, please mute yourself. Yes. So option B is the answer for third one. Okay, that a great artist had made him a painting to show his appreciation for Yannick's effort. Now, fourth, Uncle Bruno asked Yannick to always look on the bright side of things. Okay, Uncle Bruno asked Yannick to always look on the bright side of things. Why? Because doing so would change a bad situation. Okay, A is the answer. A is the right option because doing so would change a bad situation. Okay, now fifth one. The artist did not get angry at Yannick for not recognizing him because what would be the correct answer? C. Okay, C is the right answer. Why? Because he was touched by Yannick's innocence and his earnest attempt to set things right. Okay, Yannick was very innocent and used to approach things very eagerly and and in a nice way. Okay, so this old man didn't got angry at Yannick. Okay, because he was touched by Yannick's innocence and his earnest attempt to set things right. Okay, C is the right answer. Now B, answer these questions. Okay, this you have to write in your notebook. Okay, you have to write this in your notebook. So for now you can mark in your book also, then afterwards you can copy that in your notebooks. Okay, so we'll discuss the first question. B first. Who was going to visit the inn? Was he someone important? How do you know? Okay, the paragraph is given there, para 1. So take out para 1. Who was going to visit the inn? What can you make out from para 1? Okay, he was a famous painter. Okay, a special guest. Okay, that evening my cousin Amandine told me that I had to do everything properly because best customer was coming to dine with some friends. Okay, so who was going to visit the inn? The best customer, which was this famous painter. Okay, now was he someone?
What? Who?
Say once again.
Yes,
Can you say once again?
yes.
From where to where we have to write?
Yes, write in your notebooks. What I am saying, please write in your notebooks because in your book, there is no proper answer. We have to make sentence of that. Okay, in your book, there is answer, but proper sentence is not there. So we have to make it a sentence. Okay, so who was going to visit the inn? You write answer 1. Don't write the question. Okay, just write answer 1. Okay, B, answer 1. Okay, B, answer these questions 1. You write 1 and then you write answer. So who was going to visit the inn? Yes.
We will some line to write the questions.
No. Don't write the questions in your notebook. Just write the answer. Okay, I am reciting the answer for you, because if you write the question also, it will take too much time. So just put B, answer these questions, and start with 1. Okay, answer 1. Okay, please be a little fast. So I'm going to recite the answer 1. Yes.
After this, we can write question. Then after we have to write question after.
No. You do not need to write other questions. Okay, only the answer you have to write. And then when I'll give you assignments on Moodle, you have to write question and answer both. Okay, that's when I upload that on Moodle. Okay, I'll upload the question, so you have to write that question and answer in the assignment. Now in your notebook, you just write your answers. Okay. Okay. So who was going to visit the inn? The best customer. Yes, the best customer was going to visit the inn. Okay, you have to write the best customer was going to visit the inn. Now, was he someone important? Was he someone important? Yes. Yes.
You can say once again he was going to visit the inn.
Yes, the best customer was going to visit the inn.
Ma'am, you send in assignment different question. Yeah, in this
Yes,
book
sir.
you.
No, I'll send different question. Okay, that I'll let you know that time. Okay, not these questions. Okay, I'll not give you all of these, but some question. Okay, just 1 or 2. Okay. Okay, so you wrote who was yes, yes.
Ma'am, what is the answer of was he someone important?
Yes, so you wrote this much. Who was going to visit the inn? The best customer of the inn was going to visit the inn. Now, was he someone important? Yes, comma, he was a famous painter.
And one more time say now.
Yes, so was he someone important? You have to write yes, comma, yes, comma, he was a famous painter. He was a famous painter.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, how do you know? How do you know? From para 1, we can know. Okay. How do you know that he was a famous painter? Because, yes, he was living in the chateau. Okay. And was very famous. Since he was very famous, he was living in the chateau.
Again.
Okay. So you have to write since he was a famous painter. Since he was a famous painter, he lived in the chateau. Since he was a famous painter, comma, he lived in the chateau, Chateau. In your book, it's given in paragraph 1. He lived because he lived in chateau. And also, right? And also, Amandine told Yannick that someone famous was coming. Also, Amandine told Yannick that someone famous was coming to visit the inn.
After the chateau.
Yes, after chateau, you have to write. And also, he lived in the chateau, and also Amandine told Yannick that someone special was coming. that someone special was coming to the inn or to visit the inn. You can write both. That someone special was coming to the inn or to visit the inn. To visit the inn will be more appropriate. Okay. Has everyone written the first
Ma'am,
answer?
you can full say the full say we can take the our answer. Full answer we can say.
Sorry, what happened?
You can say full answer so we can take our answer.
Yes, of course. So just do one thing. Now we have no time left. Okay, we have only 5 minutes. So we'll just discuss the second answer. What I'll do is, okay, I'll just prepare a PPT of these questions. Okay, I'll prepare a PPT of these questions, a PowerPoint, and I'll upload it on Moodle. Okay, I'll upload it on Moodle. You can take the questions and answers. You can take the answers. I'll write only the answers. Okay, I'll just put B1 and the answer, then 2 answer. Okay, so you write both question and answer in your notebook. Okay, I'll be providing you the answers in Moodle in the form of PPT. Okay, is that okay for you all? Okay, that will be more easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, since we are talking in this
Yes,
class
ma'am.
and you don't understand something or the else, so it's very difficult for us to complete the chapter in so less time. So I'll be uploading these questions, sorry, the answers in Moodle in the form of PPT. Okay, by evening I'll upload, then you can write it down from there. Okay, and then I'll also upload the assignment also. That will be 1 or 2 questions. Okay, you all understood?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am on Moodle, mm, mm, which students are in 7th class, their 6th class videos are on Moodle.
Okay, 6th class videos are on Moodle.
Yes.
Okay, I'll just check. Okay, I'll just check.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Then now we'll discuss the second answer. Okay, we'll just discuss it. Okay. Why did Amandine try to remove the burning clothes from the fire? Okay, take out para 6. Why did Amandine try to take out the burning clothes from fire? Okay, Amandine tried to take out the burning clothes from fire because the man who left does a drawing on the tablecloth as a tip for Papa if he likes his meal. Okay, that is the answer here. Okay, so I'll just write these answers, and form it a PPT. Someone's mic is not situated. Yes. So I'll make it a PPT and then I'll be uploading on Moodle by evening. Okay. So this is for your reference only. So this answer number 2 is in paragraph 6. Amandine tried to remove the burning cloth because this old man, this painter, used to draw a drawing on a tablecloth as a tip for her papa if he likes the meal. Okay. So what would be the third answer? Third, if we discuss, did Amandine think her father would be angry with her for the burnt tablecloth? What tells you this? Para 9. Okay. Okay. So, did Amandine think her father would be angry with her for the burnt tablecloth? Okay. Did she thought that her father would be angry? So, it's in para 9. Since she said Yannick did this, okay, she said it was Yannick, Papa. So he threw it into the fire, the tablecloth, the drawing. So she did not thought that her father would scold her for this. Okay, she thought that Yannick would be scolded. Okay, so this will be the third answer. Okay, we are just discussing them. Okay, now it's already 9:05. Mm, you are sixth, right? Sixth standard, right? Okay, so
yes,
you
ma'am.
have, yeah, it's already 9:06. Okay, so we'll finish this class here, and if you have any doubts you can ask in the next class. Okay, And also, as I have said, I'll upload the PPT by evening. Okay, after 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, you can go to Moodle and check the answers. Okay, am I clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. Okay,
Bye.
so thank you
Thank
everyone. The class is over. Okay, bye bye.